Today is day 3. We drove all the way from Arusha, heading down to the south, expecting to get to Ruaha, but the drive is a bit longer, so we had to stop to some point. We are at the Iringa region, so we found a nice spot for overnight, and tomorrow we can be ready to continue all the way down to Ruaha National Park. So this is our nice camping spot for today. Everyone is doing his thing. Natasha is going up in a tree, try to climb a baobab tree. You can try. We're gonna do the setup with everything. Looks very neat. You think?
Yeah.
Come on.
No, look, if I sit on that,
What is happening?
it just snapped. Can you hear?
Then be careful. You better not going up there. You tried though, so good for you.
No, it's not good.
Since we are doing a bush camping, so we'll have to walk around and picking up some dead branch to start the fire, and we'll be ready to make a dinner. And that is how we pitch the tent. So easy, so convenient. Just 2 minutes.
Just 2 minutes.
Pretend like your friends and you can have a conversation.
We're already having a conversation. And we're just waiting for our chef to do his thing. So far looks amazing.
Chef, driver.
Oh my god. Okay, let's be honest.
Still
What should
defrosting.
what should we do? Let's be honest. You drove. Gonna start
It's
smoking.
really, it's a
Cheers, guys.
a fancy place.
Cheers, guys. Cheers. Happy to be out here.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Happy to be on the old road.
Yeah. Some rain.
Karama, tell
It's another day. Very beautiful morning. It's about 6:45 in the morning. Waking up and start preparing the breakfast. It was such a very lovely night. As we just pitch anywhere in the middle of somewhere, have overnight. And today we are gonna carry on, heading down to Ruaha National Park. So first we need to get to Iringa town, and there we might have a proper breakfast and a nice coffee that every one of us is looking forward to it. So it's gonna be great. So this is just a morning vibe that we have here at the camp. The fellows are still asleep, but they should be awake anytime soon. It's lunchtime now. We are all just parked randomly
In the middle of the road.
in the middle of the road, having a quick lunch. So we're inspecting more campsite. We just got here to the first campsite to try to see if we can overnight in here, and tomorrow we can get on with our camp drive through. Yes, we have finally made it to Ruaha National Park, and we are at the Maganga Magungu viewpoint. Look at the view, stunning. This is the Ruaha River. It's in a dry season, hoping a lot of wildlife will be down to the river drinking water. but so far it looks amazing. Our first close-up animal in Ruaha, and that is Defassa Waterbuck. So now we're here at our first bandas at the Ruaha National Park. Technically, we suppose we wanted to stay at the public campsite, but we kind of switch it up and come to stay at the bandas just to see what it's like. So this is the area with all the bandas, and not sure, it doesn't seem very, you know, pleasant the way we want it or the way we want to stay at the campsite. So we will decide later on if we want to just go back to the public campsite and pitch our tent by the river, which seems to be nice, but we have paid for this one already. So we will see. We will prefer more. The view here doesn't seem to be as pleasant as on the other public campsite. So we will really have to make a great decision here and decide what we want to do. On the other campsite, we keep on looking which campsite will suit us best. Here's another one. So we have forgotten about the bandas since they don't have such a great view. But the public campsite seems to provide an amazing view. So this is a view that you get if we were to camp here. In the distance, you get to see that's a crocodile right there, and those are geese, Egyptian geese. And since like the pool sometime might have a lot of hippopotamus in there, it's such a decent pool on the Ruaha River, and yeah, so we try to decide from here.
Baby, kiss the baby.
He's feeding on it's, an elephant dung or something.
Yeah,
Shit.
shit.
And then his friend came to visit him.
Yes.
He decided to take a shit in the shit for his friend to eat.
And now we have a troop of baboon passing by right in front of us. And those are yellow baboons. There seems to be so many here in Ruaha. It's such an amazing park.
You taking a video?
Yeah.
Let's move.
All right. We just leave the elephant is struggling to get up on the bank.
They are just.
Look at the size of this zebra.
We're back to the camp. As you can hear all the hippos in the river. They sound like they are very, very close. And those are our tents. That's a rooftop tent. That is a ground tent, call it fly tent. It's very easy to pitch. We have got a shower hanging up on the tree. So we are all set. Watching the sunrise coming up from the east, right in the center of the Ruaha National Park. Those are crown crane. The bird has been used as a symbol for United Nation of Uganda. Here come a group of buffaloes. Don't know where they come from, but it's a big number of buffaloes going through. Wow. This guy wanna come toward us. That's such a very big herd. All the buffalo are being curious now. They probably wonder what it is. They're just being so curious. That's why they're coming so close. Who actually knew that we will have come with this?
Is that what it is?
Amen.
Yeah. You got us anything to get?
That one.
Ending our beautiful game driving with a herd of elephants. Seems to be doing their thing. You can see a couple of young elephants. None of these elephants have got the biggest tusk in here, so it's hard to say which one is a matriarch.
It's the biggest size.
The one over there in the middle with the two youngs following behind,
The big tush.
Yeah.
that could be a matriarch.
Or the one on the right.
Which one? The one over there, way far away.
No, this one on the complete right. She looks
Oh,
big.
there is more on the other side. He want to come closer.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. He's just checking.